Hi friends, I'm making a quick smoothie and I thought I would make it with you, and you might hear some banging in the background because my air conditioning is getting fixed. So this is a smoothie that's in my new cookbook. I love it because it tastes kind of like dessert. I make it different every time, but I came up with a recipe for you guys in the cookbook. I'm adding 2 dates today because it's Friday and I'm in the mood for something sweet. So I love adding extra dates when I want to treat. I'm adding 1 Brazil nut because it has your daily intake of selenium, which is good for your hormones and other things. You'll have to ask a nutritionist. That's not me, I'm just a cooking teacher. I'm adding a banana. I am adding some almond butter for yummy flavor. And now my measuring spoon is dirty. Usually I do that last. So I have to get another spoon. Hold please. Okay, I'm back. I'm adding a little bit of ground flax, a little bit of ground chia, a little bit of maca, which is also good for your hormones. If you're in your late 40s like me, good times. And I'm adding some cacao for extra chocolate. I'm just gonna add some water to this and puree it up, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, I'm showing you how much water. I just go up almost to the top edge of the ingredients, and I have a big scoop of ice in here.